there's not much left of it.
Well, last night we had a big storm that came through, and this is the results of what happened here. It happened so fast. We were just sitting around in the living room, and the next thing you know, we heard a loud boom, and my daughter said the trees had fell down, and when we came outside, this is what we saw.
We was wishing for rain, and we got some rain, but we got a whole lot of wind, and I came to the front door and I heard, I thought it was raining real hard. I thought it was hailing really, and the wind was coming so fast it just obliterated. I couldn't even see out the door. Then all of a sudden I heard the crash, and this is what happened. And we've been here since 1980, and this tree is, I guess, one of the biggest trees in the neighborhood. I have more damage than I thought I had. It knocked this tree, broke this tree right here, and broke it off on the roof. And man alive. Okay.